Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this machine here is a Noble Speed Scrub Rider. The machine behind me is a Tennant T7. Now in this video series, we're going to show you tips and tricks that will either work for the Noble Speed Scrub Rider or the Tennant T7 to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a damaged recovery tank drain hose. You need to replace it. First thing, you need to raise your seat and push back your recovery tank to expose the drain hose. Right here is a hose clamp. Loosen your hose clamp using a flathead or an 8mm socket. And then take your drain hose and pull it off. Install the new hose, tighten the hose clamp, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.